Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be giving you a February digital plan with me. So if you're new to my channel, just totally subscribe. If you're not new, they're coming back. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so this is my last month plan with me. This was actually my first time doing it, so yes, I'm just showing you a quick overview of everything. And y'all, I don't know what happened last month, but I tried my best to fill out a lot of days, but oh my gosh, it was just so much going on last month. So, well, technically still this month, but anyways, I'm going to try to use my digital planner more in February. I was just so busy last month, like preparing for my Valentine's Day wax melt gift set. If you would like to purchase one, I have the link in the description. But yeah, I was just preparing for my shop, making Valentine's Day bundles and everything. So yeah, but anyways, this is going to be a very simple plan with me, because like as I'm planning, that's when I make it more decorative, you know what I'm saying? So right here, I'm just looking through my calendar to see what kind of dates I add in. And you guys, I tried to write, like y'all saw last month, but literally I tried to write, and I don't know what it is, but I hate my writing. Like, I write better on paper than I do on the iPad, you know? So I've had an iPad since 2019 and I still suck at writing on it. So I don't know. You're going to see me erase this, and I'm going to just get my keyboard and just type it. Okay, so I have the Logitech keyboard. I will be putting it in my Amazon storefront if you would like to purchase it. But basically, I'm just going to be typing this because, like, I suck at writing. But anyways, the font that I'm using is called Avocados. I want to say I got it from dafont.com. I love this font. It is so cute. Avocados, yes. But you can't type numbers and you can't type like symbols. So yeah, it's just a font for a word, for like alphabet, but you can't type commas or nothing like that. So you're going to see me struggle when I try to like type certain things because it's not letting me add it. I guess the person that made it, they didn't make the symbols. So yeah. I had to improvise, so basically is it an apostrophe? Oh my gosh, y'all, I haven't been in school in a minute. But basically the apostrophe, I think that's what it's called, y'all. It's just regular font, basic system font, and I just used that as the apostrophe and then went back to the avocado font. But right here, I'm just adding all my days, like paydays, the days my bills are due, all the holidays and everything. Okay, so right here I was so confused because literally I keep forgetting that February only has 28 days, but my gym membership is due on the 30th. So like, if my gym membership is due on the 30th and it's only 28 days, then I thought it was gonna be due like March 2nd. It's something like that. But anyways, yeah, I'm just adding the stickers right now. I don't know why I'm like this, you guys. I'm just adding the like little stickers that come with the Cyberry planner. And yeah, so hopefully, I think my payment is due on the 28th. It's the last day of the month. Well, I don't know. We just gonna see, okay? Okay, so right here I am going to be highlighting the dates just to make it like a little cute, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just highlighting the dates, and these highlighters that I'm using on GoodNotes is it was like a Stabilo hex code sheet that I saw on Instagram, and it's literally all the colors of the Stabilo highlighters. So these colors are like the exact same as the Stabilo highlighters. So I found it on Instagram. You just gotta type in GoodNotes and just scroll up. I don't think I saved the picture, but yeah. That's why all the highlighters look so cute and pastel. I had to come back in and add my Ivy Park release date because you guys know I love Beyonce. I love Ivy Park. I try to buy something if it's just one thing from each release, and I've been good at that so far. I haven't missed or sold out anything. So hopefully this time I can get something. Not much because it's kind of expensive, but yeah. Okay, you guys, let's get into the finances. Okay, so on the last one, I put my direct deposit. I put the amount that I made on my direct deposit. But I got like a $2 raise. So I don't know what I'm going to be making yet. Because, you know, taxes and thrift savings plans and dental insurance and all that good stuff. You got to be taking out the check, okay? You wish you could make the gross amount, but you can't because of taxes, okay? So I don't know how much I'm going to be making right now. The minimum wage went up for us. So yeah, I'm making way more than I was making before, which is great. Like, I don't know how to feel about it because I'm just so happy. But yes, I'm going to be putting in all my bills, basically all my bills that I have put on the calendar. I'm going to be putting the date, what it is, and the amount due. Okay, so right here I'm putting the category, like what each category, each bill is. So it's just very simple, like entertainment, credit, car, insurance, you know, all that good stuff. Okay, so this is the finances page, and now we're going to go on to meal prepping. Okay, so in the last one, I did manage to cook everything that I made. Tried to film a video on it, but it didn't really turn out that great. I can still post it if you want to see it, because I did cook a lot of the stuff that I put in the meal prep from last month. But this month I want to try like some more breakfast things. Like I was pretty successful at taking my own lunch to work. Usually I would just like during lunch break just drive to McDonald's or somewhere on base, because I work on a military base, so we don't really have that many options. So we either have McDonald's or Subway. So this year I wanted to make my own food. Like I want to cook my own food because, as you may know, we're going through inflation and like prices are rising and everything is getting expensive. Even the groceries are getting expensive. So it doesn't really matter if you eat out or buy groceries, because both of them are going to be expensive regardless. But anyways, I'm just putting in the breakfast, and I don't really put in food for each day because I live at home. So like I don't have to cook everything every day because my parents, they be cooking too. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, the weekends I eat out. Like I don't really cook that much on the weekends. And yeah, so that's why I left a lot of this blank. Okay, you guys, so now we're gonna go to fitness. Now last month I went all out with fitness. Like I put all the workouts and everything, but I find that when I go to the gym, I don't really be doing all that. I just be doing what's available to me, because they closed one of the Bailey's gyms down in my area. I guess the one like a little bit ways down the road. So when they closed that one down, tell me why everybody fled to the one they just opened right by my house. So this gym is literally always packed. So like I really don't like that. And plus I work a full-time job, so when I do go to the gym when I get off of work, it's going to be packed because that's when everybody get off work. So on the weekends it's weird because it does not be that packed. I guess people be out and about, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I've been trying to find time, like a decent time to go to the gym, because I work full-time and it wouldn't make sense for me to go before I go to work, because I mean I'll be having to go to the gym at like 5 o'clock 4 o'clock in the morning, and that's a no for me because I like my sleep. Okay, so I'm just adding like what days I'm going to be doing these workouts, like leg day, ab day, full body, upper body, glutes, all that good stuff. And I don't really go to the gym on the weekends. I stay at home, even though the gyms do be open on the weekends. But yeah, if I would go on the weekends if you want me to film a gym routine. So yeah, comment down below if you want that. Okay, so now I'm just highlighting it so they can look cute. I'm just doing random pastel colors. Okay, so all the rest of the sheets, I don't really use them that much. As for the goals, I like to do that off camera because like I try to set new goals for each month. I haven't thought of those yet. So yeah, I'm going to do that off camera. But I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'm just going to give you a quick overview of everything. I know my planner looks very bare. I'm going to start drawing stickers and adding them to my, planner. But I like the minimalist look. I don't know. I like how it looks. It's very cute. It's very simple. You know what I'm saying? So yes, I really hope you enjoy it. Like I said, I do have Valentine's bundles on my website. So if you're looking for the perfect Valentine's gift, I do have a wax melt bundle on my website. Very inexpensive and it ships very fast. So if you're looking forward to buying that or getting a gift for your special someone for Valentine's Day, click the link in the bio to my website and I'll hook you up. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, like iPad videos and all that good stuff, I will be happy to film them. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will be seeing you in my next video.
It's on you.